In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use bots on Discord Mobile. So I'm in one of my servers. If I just swipe to the right, you can see I have some bots in this server, but we're going to now add another bot. So to do this, you need to go onto a web browser on your phone. I'm on Google Chrome, and then in the search bar, you want to type Discord bots, just like that, hit search. And then you want to tap on the first result. It's from top.gg. And then you can search for your specific bot that you want. So I want to add the Dank Memo bot. So it should load it up if I search for it here. Dank Memo, there it is. You tap on it. And then what you want to do is tap on the invite button right over there. Invite. That will open up, and now you have to log into your Discord account. So I'll do that really quick. Once you filled in your information, tap on login, and now you have to authorize the bot. So you want to select the server that you want the bot to go into. So I'll select my server, then tap on continue. I recommend just leaving all that on how it is. Tap on authorize and do the I'm a human capture, just like that. And it says thanks for adding Dank Mema, so I can go back onto Discord, and then Dank Mema should be in the bot, in the server, sorry, there it is. And if I go to the users, you can see Dank Mema over there. So that is how you use bots on Discord Mobile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.